The VW Tiguan uses a modular infotainment matrix system to manage navigation, audio, and climate control. A reset is often needed when the touchscreen freezes, apps crash, or Bluetooth fails. There are two main types of resets. A reboot is a soft reset that clears temporary memory without erasing data. Simply hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. A factory reset wipes the system to defaults, deleting personal data and settings. Access it via Settings, System, Factory Reset, and only use it for severe issues. Always back up important data before performing a factory reset. These resets are needed due to software glitches in the Linux-based operating system, potentially caused by overheating, voltage spikes, or incompatible apps. If your Tiguan's touchscreen is unresponsive, start with a simple reboot. Hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it reboots. If problems persist, check for firmware updates via VW's reconnect app, especially for MIB3 systems from 2018 to 2023 and newer that support over-the-air updates. You can also try calibrating the screen in Settings, then Display, then Calibration. If these steps don't work, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember to back up your data first. Access it via Settings, System, Factory Reset. For older MIB2 models from before 2020 that lack full OTA support, manual resets are more common. Note that hardware issues, like a damaged digitizer, cannot be fixed by software resets and require professional repair. According to a 2025 survey, 65% of Tiguan owners avoid dealership visits by performing DIY reboots.